So hello guys, welcome to Get to Know YouTube channel. My name is Shujamon Ghosh. In this tutorial, I am going to talking about page special section in the Excel. So let's get started. I have two values in my Excel, value 1 and value 2, and one result column. In the result column, I have put in the basic formula. So there was a division formula. So I want this division formula to the all cell. You have to drag down this formula. It's the same way, or the else you use just copy and select the remaining cell and press Ctrl Alt V, or you can use this section paste value, okay, and their formula. This is simple. So the all remaining cell are using the same formula. Now I don't need that formulas are appeared, I just needed the value. In that case, you have to copy this and Ctrl Alt V, or you have to go that section and just press the value, then okay. You can also copy and paste the formation of any cells. So I am just giving this little bigger and colorful. So I am just copied that and select the all remaining cell and Ctrl Alt V and choose this format section and press OK. And you can see that all formatting are applied the all remaining cell. Now I have put the comment. So hi. So I give this comment. So I want that comment to appear all the remaining cell. So just simply copy and select the remaining column, Ctrl Alt V, then press this comment section and press OK. You can also divide it all this section with using just one number and paste special section. I am just giving there two number and I want this to add every this column with this 2. So first of all you have to select the 2 and copy it. Now select that cell you have to apply and Ctrl Alt V and select it add. Now you can see that is add. Now again copy and select the cells, Ctrl Alt V and subtract. And you can see that there is fraction. Now you have to multiply that, copy, select the all remaining cell, Ctrl Alt V. Now you can multiply, or division, select, copy again, select, Ctrl Alt V, divide it and OK. Now you can transpose this result section to the vertically to horizontally or horizontally to vertically. Now I just simply copy that result section and I transport it. So just select a blank cell and Ctrl Alt V and choose this transport section and click OK. Now you can see that all result columns are now, all the values are now transposed. Now there is a section called, there is a section I briefly mentioned, is not so much workable, but you have to use that. There is a column with, you can change any other columns with the same column with, you can use all of the formats, values, form, comments, formula except border. You can use only formula and number formats or value and number formats. You can use whenever you use it, you need it. So that is the page special section. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Please hit the like button. Thank you for watching.